How to verify your LinkedIn account. To verify your LinkedIn account, you need to have your work permit or you need to have your driver's license ID or your country's citizenship. If you have any one of this, you're going to get verified. So follow the step. Click on your profile picture at the top left corner and click on your username at the top left corner. Once you're inside your profile, if you're still not verified, you're going to get this button, Add Verification Badge. Click on that. Inside here, it's going to show you how you guys can verify yourself. Over here, you can verify yourself from your workplace or from your persona. If you click on workplace, it's going to require you to provide your workplace document. And if you choose persona, it's going to ask you to provide your personal document. You can choose any one. I will choose persona. And then click on verify with persona. Now you can choose the country you live in and then make sure you tick mark this both and click on continue. Then you want to click on yes, continue, and after that provide the photo of the front and back of your citizenship ID. And after you do that, make sure the photo is clear. If it is not clear, you are not going to get verified. If the photo is clear, within the next 30 days, your account will be verified. That is how you guys can verify a LinkedIn account. Subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.